Hello, here we are again. Welcome to our channel. And here we are in front of the software in its opening page. What is the objective that we set with this tutorial? Do you remember the day you got your car key? It was certainly a happy day, and for some it is a memory that they will never forget. But that day we had to counter our feeling and for a few minutes listen to basic information. Information such as engine start, refuel, fill the tank, etc. Of course, they won't explain us all the detail. We will gradually learn full functions and read the manual, but some basic information is needed. This is the purpose of this tutorial. We'll focus only on the element to take the first step. We will explain the main characteristics that we will use to make the first piece. So we make an overview, some details. The interface remind us of Office. It is organized into menus and submenus. And above are these functions. Quick access tools. This is the bar with some of the most used functions. And if you want, you can enter other functions that you use the most here in this bar. Now let's look at the table. When you select a table, a menu opens with the associated functions. One of these characteristics is that on the left we'll find the basic functions, and when we move to the right we'll find the complex functions. For example, wireframe. On the left we are the graphic elements such as lines and polygons, and on the right we find the, for example, cube, thanks to which we can draw directly in 3D. There is also the function or creating a drawing for turning here. Further to the right we find the functions to model the surface and some details, curve, chamfer, and so on. So in the next menu, surface, here I can extract a surface and convert it to a solid. And here, in solid, it is possible to extract solids in different way. Now, seeing in view, we can access important functions. Toolpaths here. Here we can review current toolpaths, current tools. Faces, solid, and functions. In other words, here we'll find all the functions that we use or have used for the preparation and editing of the piece. In machine, we select the machine that will work the piece. For example, lathe, mill, or milling lathe machine. Let's pay attention, please, now down in status bar. Here we'll find, we'll find the coordinate cursor, and we find also quick access for surface, view changes, etc. More to the right, we can change the appearance of the part. For example, solid, transparent, translucent, or drawing mode display. And finally, dynamic symbols, the normal. You can move the piece. You can move the piece or the scenes. It contains 3 axes. Connected to the origin. They represent length, the width, and the height. So we now know the functions that we will use in future tutorials as we build our first machining part together. Thanks for being with me until now, and see you soon. Goodbye everyone.